How you doing? Um, Very excited today. I'm starting another new series. Just trying to keep things interesting on the channel. Hopefully, get a few more subs and a few more views. That's what it's all about, folks. So I'm going to start a new series today. I'm going to show you now what that's going to be, and we'll take it away. Well, yesterday, I went to a local lumber yard and I bought myself a very nice long board of sapele, and as you can see, it's wide enough so that I can do a one-piece body. I also bought lovely boards of maple. Going to do a maple neck, sapele body, and as you can see, as I said, wide enough that it's going to be a one-piece sapele body, not jointed at all. It's 1.5 inch sapele. I got the 1.5 inch, so I'm going to rip some of the maple and use that as a cap. So should be quite attractive when they're finished. It'll take me a while, and it's going to be a fairly long series. I'll do as much detail on this series as I can, get a good few videos out of it. Anyone who's seen videos before knows that I've done, like, you know, bolt on necks and stuff. This I'm going to try to do a neck through, so the maple is going to go all the way through the body, and it'll have sapele wings then and a maple top, like I said. So with any luck, that's where we're going to get to. Probably have to purchase better templates. They're just templates that I mocked up myself from a sheet of paper a number of years ago to do that guitar. The Ginger Caster Deluxe. We made that from a block of solid ash. The USA Custom Guitars neck, because I didn't feel up to doing the neck at that stage. But yeah, the body was solid ash that we fashioned ourselves, and that was the template that I used from that. Like I say, I just copied it from a piece of paper and cut it out of wallboard. So I'll get myself a better template. It's a Strat template that we did as well. At the same time as we were doing it, and that'll be that. So that's the first video on this new series, building a neck through. Okay, cheers folks.